Hey, what's up, toebox.com? This is Rad Chaz coming to you once again. Here are the French blues that I, restored. Paint's looking good. Almost everything's done. But I waited since I just got a comment from CJ. Thanks for visiting toebox.com, CJ. And he had a question about what is the best way to get rid of the yellow soles on 7s. That's the problem with most white toe box 7s, is that they get yellow over time. These French blues here are a bit yellow. The video's really, my camera's too good, I guess, because they look pretty white on the video. Let's see if I can adjust it. Get into a shade or something. Yeah, you see that? Pretty yellow. Alright, you see it right there. Pretty yellow. Basically, best method for me, the best way I do it, is to sand it. You can go ahead and repaint it, but the thing with painting is the plastic here, the material that they use is really shiny and really slippery, so the paint may not stick depending on what paint you use. So what you want to do is just go to Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart has it, Kmart, and you want to get some sandpaper. I use 180 grit. I haven't really tried any others. This is the one that works for me, so I just stuck to it. What you want to do is start from the top. Make sure it's clean, by the way. Make sure you clean it as thoroughly as you can. Get as much dirt off as possible. And then after that, let it dry. And then just start sanding. Just use you don't want to go too hard. Just, very slightly. Move with it. And then you start to see the yellowing come off. Now, the reason that most people don't like this method is that you're damaging the shoe. In my opinion, you're really not. To me, taking off that shiny part makes the shoe look way better. And all you're doing is you're just taking off a layer of the rubber, so the rubber's still there. And to be honest, if you wanted to paint it, I would suggest you do this first to get rid of the upper material, so the paint that you use will stick better. So I'm just doing one side so I can show you a before and after of the difference that it made. You're gonna get a lot of residue on it, so just blow it off as you go. And you just want to keep it in the same motion. You don't want to, if you're going left and right, you want to keep going left and right. If you're going up and down, stay up and down. You don't want to change directions, because what you do is you'll leave a rough pattern, like it looks scratched. But if you keep it in one motion, everything should go smoothly. Alright, one of the hardest parts about this, well, it's not really hard. The sandpaper kind of makes it easy. You just want to take the piece of paper, fold it to the edge, and then just fold it, and then you can just get in this little side right here. Also, if you want to get detailed, just no, that really wasn't too much, but see if you can see the difference. That's the sanded side. And this is the unsanded side. You see the difference? See if I can change the camera. It's too much. It's not really. sanded, unsanded. See the yellow? You know, these aren't too bad, huh? Try to keep them in pretty good condition. So the difference is not that serious. But there is a difference, as you can see. Boom and boom. See, it looks way much whiter. That's the unsanded, sanded. Yeah. With these bad boys here, the paint. Alright. So yeah, in my opinion, that's the best way to do it, to go about the situation, is just to sand it. Yeah. Any more questions? Feel free to comment. This is Rad Chaz. Follow me at Rad Chaz on Twitter, or at SoberBirth on Twitter, and visit the website soberbirth.com. We're bringing it back to life.